Cause these people around here always make fun of my mustache.
Your what?
I just made a mustache, man.
Your mustache?
Yeah, cause people always make fun of me. I don't know, they think I'm funny cause I don't have a mustache. Jesus, give me one.
Huh? Just pay attention to the road, man.
Nothing you gonna put on YouTube, man.
It's going on YouTube.
Oh God, man. Do I look shit to you now? Do I look shit to you now?
Where's your freestyle you said you're gonna do?
Man, I am not black as you think, man. I'm maybe black, my skin, but my heart maybe is not black, man.
Yeah, we're going back to our office.
Huh?
Going back to the office.
Showing Alex?
Yeah. So,
Alex, you like my mustache? I
yeah.
know you do, but you don't tell me the truth, man. Hey, Ian. Already done, man. Huh?
I get to be chauffeur for
What?
the night.
What?
I get to be chauffeur for the night.
Oh,
You
I
get,
know what
you
you-
get to be my driver for the night.
I was your driver, but I wasn't your bitch.
You're both.
Likely. I'm not. All right.
Okay.